Hey guys, welcome to tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Indeed account on your computer online. And now let's start right in. Now to log into your Indeed account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the web address indeed.com like this and hit on enter, and after that you'll be directed over here, which is the home page of the Indeed itself. And let's close this. And to log into your Indeed account, at the top right corner of your screen you can see there is the upload a resume, sign in, and the employer/post jobs option. We'll be clicking on the sign in button over here, and after we click on the sign in button we'll be over here on the sign in page of the Indeed. You can also choose to continue to your Indeed account with your Facebook, or your Apple, or your Google account. If you click on any of these links, login page to the same platform relating to Google, Facebook, or your Apple will open. And if you log into your respected accounts over here, you'll be signed into your Indeed account with these platforms. With that being said, let's enter our email address. After you have entered your email address, simply click on continue, and on the next step will be required to enter your password. And when you enter your password, you'll be able to see the login button on the password page. And if you click on that login button after entering your email and your password correctly, you'll be able to sign into your account. And there guys, this is how you log into your Indeed account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.